everyone, welcome back if you are new here. My name is Niusha, and as always, it's amazing to be here today. We are going to look into the Cosmic Wisdom Tarot by lovely Ethony. So, without a further ado, let's jump into it. Such a beautiful box. For me, boxes of the tarot decks are also very important. Look at this lovely galaxy colors. It's just beautiful. So it comes with this beautiful magnetic style. Such a lovely one. And here is the back. So it says the Cosmic Wisdom Tarot blends the classic tarot structure with modern symbols and imagery, making it a perfect guide for your spiritual journey. Perfect for those seeking guidance or clarity or just a reflective moment. This deck serves as a spiritual guide, connecting timeless wisdom with today's journey through the archetypes of the tarot. Ethony, and the art is by James Fenner. Beautiful. So inside the box we have the guidebook and also the deck. And of course I have a certificate. Let's quickly look into the guidebook, but we will also go more in detail after the walkthrough with the sample reading. So, this guidebook is one of my favorite ever guidebooks that I have in my collection. To show you, the beginning is basically stars, if I can make it. So, we have an index of contents. Like page numbers, which is good. Usually we don't have it in the guidebooks. And then we have how to use the deck and how to connect with your deck and the tips for interpreting tarot cards. And then we have spreads here, different type for personal growth, career, inner peace, financial, relationship, and so on. And the more advanced spread, and another one. And then here is the style of the guidebook. I love it. Usually the guidebooks are like kind of book style, long paragraph, and sometimes you get lost in the wordings in the paragraph and then you get bored. That is the perfect way to keep someone engaged with the guidebook. So we have the name of the cards, upright meaning, reverse, and yes or no. And then the symbols are structured like this, it's just so fun. This guidebook is amazing. Yeah, we will go later to check the contents. So this is the beautiful bag. This is a standard tarot deck. And we have a very high quality cardstock. It's premium 350 GSM and has a matte finish with some gold details. And you can see this purplish galaxy color. The beautiful bag. It's just lovely. And then of course we have edged gold. Very beautiful combination. Are you ready? Let's start our journey through this deck and enjoy each card one by one, and you will see how beautiful this deck is. Now our shuffling test. Let's do riffle shuffling. Nicely doable. Is a bit stiff the cards, but still you can do it with no problem if you wish to do so. Nice. Let's do side shuffling. Nice. And overhand shuffling. Oops. Good. Okay. Let's just get one card and check the guidebook. Seven of Pentacles. Did you see the beautiful color palette through the walkthrough? This deck is amazing. I love this detail of this yellow, which kind of looks like it's coming out of the card. It's a very beautiful color palette. And this deck, I think, is a wonderful deck for autumn season, for example. Such a beautiful deck. Seven of Pentacles. Back to our guidebook. Okay. Persevere with your efforts, reflect on your progress, and evaluate the fruits of your labor through the lens of practicality. Upright. Remove what is not working for better results. Investment, auditing, pause, slow and steady growth, patience and perseverance, expectations, reaching a milestone. And it's yes card. Reverse, find a way to work smarter. Roadblocks, bad accounting, no follow through, giving up on yourself, blindly moving forward, lack of progress. And so let's look at the symbols. Okay, the bees. Clarity, connection. Beekeeping suit. Protection, the right equipment. Nice. Honeycomb. Results of labor, sweetness after hard work. And then we have rake. Getting hands dirty, tending what you are growing. And beehive here is structure, protection of assets. Look, it's just so fun to work with this guidebook. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough and you also fell in love with this deck. This is one of my favorite decks and I enjoy working with it and I hope you also liked it. Until next time, please stay safe, healthy and on top of everything, happy. Bye bye.